inhale, open up the eyes. We reach the arms all the way out and up. Exhaling, right hand comes down to the mat, left hand reaches up and over, little side stretch. Inhaling back through center. Exhale towards the other side. Go for another round, inhaling back through center. Exhaling, reaching towards the other side. And then inhaling, both hands reach up. We exhale, left hand comes down to the mat. So we next inhale, we reach both of the hands up. And this time as we exhale, right hand comes down to the mat. We reach the left hand up and over. And then bring your left hand behind the head. We inhale to lift the elbow. So you exhale, slowly bring your elbow down towards the knee, taking a slight twist here. Inhaling to open up your chest, gazing up towards the ceiling. Exhaling, curling inwards. Inhaling once again to lift up. And exhaling to twist. So you next inhale, lift up your chest, release the left hand. We reach both of the hands up on our next inhale. Exhaling towards the other side, right hand comes down to the mat. And then right hand